Hey guys, so today we are going to show you how to make a latte at home. It's pretty easy and I'll just flip it around so you can watch.
So here I use, this is my favorite right now, the caramel espresso pod from Nespresso. I did put 3 shots in here just because we need extra coffee today. And then you can use your choice of milk or dairy-free milk. I'm doing dairy-free because I am having cheese later and I kind of have to pick and choose. So I just poured it into the frother, and I usually do it just so it just barely covers the thing at the bottom.
I'll just show them this frother we got off Amazon. It's called the Master Chef. It's a pretty cool frother.
And then, yeah, and it does everything you need to. It'll heat it or have it cold, but it's a good price compared to the Nespresso ones. And I just like to put a little bit of vanilla extract in the milk.
How much are you putting in? About a teaspoon?
Maybe
half a teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do it warm today, so it's the top one.
Ah, okay.
Not cold, you just hit the bottom one.
Okay.
And go down.
So it's warming it up and spinning it and making it froth.
Yeah.
So if you wanted an iced drink, you just hit this button and it makes it an iced drink. And you can add
it just keeps it cold and just froths it instead of this heat and froth.
And how long does this go?
A minute maybe?
Oh, a whole minute, okay. Okay, so it's done.
It's done. One thing I will say is that regular milk froths the best.
1%. Okay.
For me, I found that with dairy-free alternatives, coconut milk is best for frothing, but it still isn't quite the same as regular milk. But let's see.
Ooh. So you can make a design with that too.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
And
then so good.
This is kind of the point where you can choose. You can use simple syrup. You can buy flavored syrups from like lots of places.
Even Winners or Marshalls.
But yeah, even the grocery store can use them.
Okay.
I do that more for iced coffee. What I use for hot coffee is honey because it's natural. And then you just go.
Oh, we'll put the link below for this frother for you guys too, so you guys can. Oh, that looks good.
But see,
that looks so pretty too.
You can see the honey sinking in. If it was regular milk, it would sit on top a little prettier.
Oh, okay. You used the coconut today, you said, right?
Yeah.
But you could even put some little cinnamon on top or anything like that. Awesome. Well, thank you for your tutorial today, Kristen.